What is up, Jounce community? This is Tyson, and it's been about a month since my last update because our team has been heads down, working incredibly hard on a number of new features that we're going to be releasing over the next couple of weeks into next month. And the first of these updates is the new Jounce Art 2.0. We've been working really hard on this feature to not only work on having many aspect ratios that you'll see soon, but also just dramatically increasing the quality and realism of the photos. Today, we're going to go over and show you what we've done and what you have access to today. Right now, I have the Jounce desktop app installed and open, and I'm going to go ahead and open a new tab. It's one of my favorite parts of using the desktop app in a Mac, and we're going to open up the templates, and we're going to go to the new template that we created called AI Image Prompt Improver. And what this is, it's a template that's going to make it much easier for you to write really good image prompts. Now, the new Jounce Art doesn't require you to use this to get really good images, but this can help act as inspiration when you're having a hard time coming up with really detailed wording for imaginative images. Let's go ahead and assume the role of a bakery, and we're going to be trying to come up with different promotions of cakes. I'm just going to say a birthday cake. And that's all I put in here. And we're going to hit generate and see what the AI comes up with. Awesome. So now we have 5 different versions of birthday cakes that we can try. Let's take Jounce Art 2.0 for a spin by copying this first prompt and putting it here. Here's our first image. And one thing to note is all of the new prompts show up at the bottom of your feed. If you're looking here now at this birthday cake, this quality is far superior to what we had prior. And of course, we have a 3:2 aspect ratio for blog featured images and for cropping it however you see fit. And many aspect ratios are going to be shipped in May. So you'll have a wide variety of images that you can create based on the aspect ratios that you want. So this is the first one. This looks really great. Let's go ahead and try a second one. This one's a little bit more innovative. Awesome. Sometimes you will notice some duplication of images, so we can go ahead and just regenerate. There we go. And this one generated a whole bunch of cupcakes. It's not quite what we wanted. We did want something like this, but you can keep generating until you find really that perfect image that you're looking for. Let's go ahead and try another one. So as you can see, using this new template to generate prompts is really great for coming up with new creative ways of exploring what you want to generate. Let's try one last one for the birthday cake, and we're actually going to try this one that actually has the words happy birthday. Now, text generation still isn't great and doesn't always work, but it's getting better. Let's see if this one works. Now, in this case, it worked really great. As you can see, we have a cake that says happy birthday on it. The only thing that I can notice is the R is a little bit messed up here, but most people are not going to notice that. Let's go ahead and try one more scenario. So let's go back over here and say a woman sitting in an office. Let's see what it comes up with. One thing I really like about using generic wording like this is it comes up with a wide variety of different situations. In this case, you'll see a young woman, a middle-aged woman, a woman in her 30s, a pregnant woman, and an older woman. And it's good that it does this because oftentimes in our marketing material, we need to personalize based on the demographic that we're targeting. Let's go ahead and try this one here. Now, this is one of those times when it generates a duplicate. This happens maybe a third of the time. So let's go ahead and hit regenerate. Now, this time it generated a single woman, but it did mess up the hands. So with people, we tend to have to generate about 3 to 4 times to get one that we're looking for. Or you can use a waist up type of prompt. So it does a portrait where it cuts it off. And here we go. This is getting much better. You could put this on something and it would be hard to detect. Let's go ahead and generate one last one. Let's actually do a pregnant woman to see how it does on that. And again, just like I said, it's typically about 3 images for people to get exactly what we're looking for. So I generated a couple of images for this one, and it is one of the hardest ones that I've seen because it is typing. So the hands are having a hard time. And so you will find times when certain scenes are still very challenging, but the quality and the aspect ratio on almost every type of image is going to be exactly what you're looking for. We have a lot more coming for Jounce Art. We're going to have an entire new user interface that's going to let you generate 4 images at a time. It's going to let you change the style, and it's going to let you choose from various different aspect ratios. And then, of course, the quality is going to get better and better. This is the quality upgrade that we've been able to have in just over 1 month. So expect a lot of updates, and we're looking forward to seeing what types of art that you create.